These educational skeleton videos are blowing up on YouTube, pulling crazy views and real money, and almost nobody shows you how to actually make them the same way. So I spent my entire day building a complete master prompt for you. You don't need any complex setup. Just give your idea. That's it. It handles everything. I made the whole process simple, fast, and repeatable. You can use exactly what I built and even improve it.
Think breaking a bone is just a crack? It's actually a controlled demolition, followed by a construction project. The second your bone snaps, your body triggers an emergency response. Blood rushes to the fracture site, forming a massive clot called a hematoma.
Now let's make these videos. First, go to Claude and copy and paste my master prompt from the Google Doc file or Telegram. It will ask for your topic or idea. After that, step by step, it gives you everything. In step 1, it will give you 11 Labs Ready Script voiceover text. Just copy it, go to 11 Labs or any text-to-speech tool, paste the script, generate the voiceover audio, and download it. In step 2, it gives you a visual storyboard that shows exactly how many seconds each scene should be. It's already optimized. In step 3, it gives you a character consistency prompt that you must use with every image, so your skeleton looks the same in every shot, or use my skeleton image as reference for each generation. In step 4, you get text-to-image prompts for each scene. Copy the first scene prompt and go to ImagineArt. This is the tool I use for my videos. It's simple and gives you access to the latest AI image and video models. From the top left, click on the image, select the reference image. You can use mine by taking a screenshot for best results, then paste the prompt you copied. Choose your image mode like Nano Banana Pro, set the size to 9:16, set variations to 2, and click Create. Your image is ready. Repeat this for every scene. In step 5, it also gives you an image-to-video prompt for each scene. Copy the first one, go back to ImagineArt, and open the video section. Select your first scene image. Choose a video model like Kling 2.6 Pro. Paste your prompt. Set the duration to 5 or 10 seconds. Hit Create, and your video is done. Repeat this for all scenes, one by one, and you will get all your videos. After that, download everything. Open any video editor, add all the clips, arrange them according to the voiceover, and your video is ready. You can also explore ImagineArt for the latest models like Kling 3.0 or Grok Image 1.0. I'll break down more workflows and tools in future videos, so subscribe if you haven't already.